Due to the way that modern technology is now designed, if you need to upgrade or replace a component in a computer or smartphone, more than likely you will need some sort of specialist tool in order to pry things open without damaging electronic components or a device's outer casing. So in our tech toolkit, we have various prying and opening tools that we've collected together over time, mostly from previously used iFixit repair kits. Working from left to right, first we have a number of plastic cards that are perfect for pushing or scraping, adhesive or removing air pockets when fitting screen protectors. Next we have a suction cup with handle, which can be handy if we need to lift or hold open the glass front on a tablet or smartphone. A spludger is perhaps the most useful tool in this set, as one end has a point for pushing or lifting small connectors and cables, while the other is designed to allow us to pry something apart without damaging the case or housing. Next up, we have a tool that was applied to us by Framework when we built one of their laptops a couple of years ago. However, the reason we've included this tool in our toolkit is that not only is it a driver, but because it's made of a slightly more rigid plastic, we prefer the spludger to the one that we got from iFixit. Our next tool is another iFixit tool that gives us more options when it comes to opening, prying and lifting. Finally, we have a selection of small opening picks, which are very useful when trying to open devices that have been glued or clipped together.